Once upon a time, there was a young child who wanted to read a bedtime book. But that book was no ordinary bedtime read. It was the world's first ever frozen book. Made from very special inks, the book could sensitively react to temperature. The warmer things got, the more the images disappeared. So it could only be read for 15 minutes at a time, before fading away into nothing. It was a simple, poignant story of how fragile our beautiful planet is, yet how global warming is affecting its very fabric. It charted the journey of a little penguin on his way to find a new home, as his current home was sadly melting away. On his epic odyssey, he meets strange and wonderful new friends, like the polar bear and the killer whale, who help him on his way. So who else but penguins themselves should highlight their plight?